What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Ken? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. Today suck. AVYA keep going down. Yeah, and what's up, Mark? What's up? Ginger picture, huh? You have a dog there now. Cute dog. Yeah, so, I mean, well, today let's do the intro. Alright, so, today is Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. Friday, January 27th, 2023. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we're doing the show from Tandytown. Yes, all major indexes in the green here. Was up a lot more earlier. We had a sell-off here during Power Hour, but still all major indexes finishes in the green. I'm not sure how crypto did, but yeah, you know, bullish day here today. So let's give it the rocket. Me personally, I got pretty wrecked today. We'll get to that in a second. So no attendees for me, but I hope you guys made some fat attendees. I sacrificed so you guys can make attendees. So yeah, overall today, market was slightly bullish. So sorry about that, Ken, but yeah, I'm with you. I got wrecked here today too. What up, Busy Bone? What's up? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. Mark has made 75% on BuzzFeed today. Yeah, that kept running. We'll actually look at BuzzFeed. We'll do a quick TA, not a full TA, but quick TA. Later on during the show. But yeah, I actually got stopped out of BuzzFeed. I shorted yesterday, and yeah, they just kept running today, so I got stopped out. Got squeezed out. So that was my major L today, and that's why I'm down. But we'll get to that. Congrats to you, though. See, I sacrificed so you can make money. Glad you guys made money. Anyway, thank you guys for being here. So, got a great show for you guys today. Let's see here. So, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Not too many articles today. Only 2 articles. One about December inflation numbers. And then one about the Fair Tax Act, which is a new proposal. Changing the tax laws. But yeah, no significant news today. So only 2 articles. We'll do our live rainbow bearing, my plays today, all that good stuff. Watch list. Today for the TA, we're gonna do. Yeah, we're gonna do Tesla, as you see in the title. We're gonna do Tesla, TCBP, Lucid. GNS and BuzzFeed. So yeah, quite a bit to get to today. We have 5 TAs, quick TAs. I'm not gonna do. Maybe I'll do a full TA after the show, but as of right now, it does not appear so. It does not appear like we're gonna do that. But yeah, we'll do 5 quick TAs, maybe more after the show, and then we'll excuse me. And then we'll finish up with the Yolos. There are quite a few Yolos today. Let me see here. 11 Yolos, so that should take a decent amount of time. Anyway, guys, so we do have a decent amount of stuff to get to today. Bunch of TA, bunch of Yolos, not too many articles, but yeah, we should probably go hour and a half to 2 hours today. We'll see, depending on how many people come in and chat. But today is Friday, the best day for streaming. Market is green. So I do expect, and there is a good amount of content today, so I do expect today's show to go a little longer than usual. But we'll see. Anyway, guys, so I appreciate everyone for being here, and let's get started. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You want fried chicken now? Yeah. Go to Popeyes, get some tenders or something. Love me some Popeyes. No attendees for me, though, today. But I'm glad you made attendees. Alright. Let's do a scan here. Let's do some live rainbow bearing. Anything going on? Not really seeing much right now. FRGT. No. Alright, so it appears like nothing going on just yet here in the post market. Okay, and Lucid has some decent price action here still. Anyway, so yeah, nothing going on just yet here post market, so we'll come back to this. Alright, let's get some my plays today. Not good. Spoiler alert. Alright, TRS. Yeah, I actually didn't even do much today. Alright, so, yeah. Pretty straightforward for me today. Really not much going on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 plays today. Let's start with BLPH. So bag holding this one. I actually cut that today. I've been bag holding it for a month. It was not such a bad loss, but I did end up just cutting the bag. So I took a $330 loss there. Not the worst thing in the world, but yeah. Just got tired of it. SPRB down 5.5%, up 200. BWEN up 1.3%, down 55. HLBZ up 0.4%, down 10. BIAF down 2%, up 40. SNOA up 3.6%, down 85. UTRS down 14.65%, up 215. RDHL. Let's see here. Yeah, shorted at 28, covered at 21, made about 500 there. And then the big loss today was BuzzFeed, BZFD, so I shorted yesterday. I was in at 140. Really bad entry. Well, it seemed like a really good entry at the time. Yesterday, yeah, squeezing, and today kept on squeezing. I got stopped out at 420, magic number, 420. No, it was actually because my actual, my rule is 200% stop loss. So 140 times 3 equals 420. So yeah, I got stopped out there so I took a pretty big loss there. Over 4K loss there. But after everything with my gains, I finished today down 2.5K, so good. I mean, certainly not. I've had a lot worse, but yeah, I don't know. I'm tired of getting squeezed out. This stuff generally does not happen that often, and this is the second time I got squeezed out this week, and it's been happening like literally every week. So I don't know what's going on here. Highly improbable things going on the past 2 months in the stock market. So I'm not too upset. That's how it goes. It is what it is, but it is a bit frustrating because when the improbable happens over and over and over, it gets to you, for sure. But, gotta grind it out. 420 is a magic number. Absolutely. You know where I'm going right after the show. I just ran out. Cut my bags on ARDS and ENSC. Yeah, those are some biotech pump and dumps. I think those went up yesterday or this week, I remember. So, not sure how much you lost, but I hope you made more on your BuzzFeed gains, and yeah, that's how it goes, dude. So sorry about your loss there, but congrats on your BuzzFeed gains, and I hope your net profit. It happens. You made good money this week. Yeah, that's why I'm not concerned at all. But like I said, just the past 2 months have not been that great for me, and it's just highly improbable what's been happening to me. But you know, nothing that I haven't dealt with before. But damn, bro, I need to catch a winning streak here. I've been on a little losing streak. Need to go back on a winning streak. All right. Anyway, so that's my plays for today, guys. Let me actually update that. So now I'm only down to 6 plays. Only really bag holding 2 of them. So I'm pretty happy with my positions here because the past couple of months, past 2 months, I've been holding like 15, 20 positions at a time. So, I have been clearing up a lot of positions, which is good. All right. I stocked up right now 777 OG INDO. You stocked up on OG and INDO. Lucid 1275 after hours. Yeah, it's not moving that much after hours, but it is going up a little bit. But we'll keep an eye on that. All right, guys. Yeah, that's my plays for today. Oh, got you. I thought you were talking about tickers. I'm like, INDO. I know what that is. That's an oil company. I'm like, what's OG? Never heard. I don't know what that stock is. All right, got you. That was funny. That was funny. It was All right, 777 OG indoor. All right, got you. got you. Sounds fire. Sounds fire. All right, cool. Love that guy's laugh. Yeah, that's a epic meme. What up, Machete? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here. Appreciate you as always. Oh, indica. All right, got you. Thought you meant indoor. Indica. Okay. Yeah, I don't really like that too much. I'm more of a sativa person, but sativas aren't really a thing anymore. Like, they don't really exist anymore. They're kind of rare to come by now. Like a pure sativa. Everything's a hybrid now, or indica. All right. Got something here. BSFC. What up, Noah? What's up? Oops. No news there. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Ty, you should start streaming on Rumble, uncensored. Yeah, that's an idea. The problem is, nobody uses Rumble. You know, so I could do it. It's like, I really don't like YouTube. I might get in trouble here. But they got a monopoly, you know? So you got to play by their rules. It's by far the biggest platform. Even Twitch is, like, not even close. So, unfortunately, got to stick with YouTube. I mean, I can do Rumble, but I just know it's not going to go anywhere. As of right now, at least. It's just not that popular, so. It's an idea. But for right now, we're going to stay on YouTube. I have to stay on YouTube for right now. Maybe if I get bigger, eventually, and, you know, people actually do watch me on other platforms, I can do that. And they charge creators to be on Rumble? Really? Oh, hell no. Then, that's a no-go. I didn't know that. Smokes and stonks with Ty. That's not a bad idea. I can do it live. I don't know. That's not very professional, though. I don't really care. I have my own business. But, you know, some potential boomer clients, man, I like that. Anyway, all suggestions. Good suggestions. What up, Morty? What's up? Can you check out Load? Sure. All right. Let's see what's going on here. Not much happening after market. Yeah, really nothing going on. So we'll come back to this. All right. Let's get to the watch list today. Starting on the red side. I'm going to take a quick drink. A lot of 10% movers today, damn. I actually didn't even see, so let's check it out right now. All right. So the Dow Jones, let's do this. Dow Jones up 0.08%. NASDAQ up 0.96%. And the S&P up 0.23%. So, yeah, slightly bullish day here today. It was up a lot more. Bit of a pullback here during power hour, but we still finish in the green, all major indexes. NASDAQ doing really well today. Other two, slightly bullish. But yeah, can't complain too much. VIX is down 1.17%, down 0.22 points. So we're at 18.51 VIX now. Very good, very good. I don't know when the last time I said that was. A year ago? Year and a half ago? Alright, let's check out the watch list here. Start on the red side. Yeah, I think Intel had earnings yesterday, and it was bad, so they're down 6.4%. XCLA getting wrecked, 9.6%. Yeah, Chevron 4.44%. Exxon, so it looks like oil's not doing too good today. There's actually not that much growth in value here. It's like not that much growth here. It's just really value. Alibaba, T-Mobile, Netflix, Pfizer, McDonald's. A lot of value here. Kind of weird. So I think the apes did really good today. That's what it seems like. So not much on the red side, just mostly value. And on the green side, Coinbase 16%. So it looks like EV's doing really good today. Fisker 15%. Lucid, Tesla mooning. We'll check those out soon. Wow, yeah, memes are mooning here. Beyond Meat, GameStop 14%. Wayfair, Affirm, yeah, there's Tesla 11%. We'll analyze that. Wow, American Express 10.5%. Yeah, BBIG, Nikola. So meme stocks, growth in memes, mooning today. Robinhood, Bumble, Wish, Lordstown, Centro, Peloton, Snap, Roku, yeah. Bunch of memes mooning. Oxygen. So today is really being led by growth, it seems like. And EVs. Yeah, Palantir, Clover, AMC, all this good stuff. And down here we do have some tech mooning. Amazon 3%, Meta 3%. Hear the siren coming down the road, so my apologies, guys. Gonna talk over it. Yeah, Paramount, Nvidia 3%, Ford 2.7%. So there actually is a decent amount of value in the green here too, but it's mostly tech. And yeah, growth did really, really good today. Pretty much all of growth is in the green. Most of the value's in the green, but tech is really pushing, holding up value here. All right. Anyway, yeah, Nvidia 2.8%, and yeah, down here we got some more value. Apple, Target, Walmart, Chipotle, whatever. So yeah, overall, a lot of very bullish for growth and memes. So apes are winning today for sure. Value's up as well. So Boomer's winning as well, but just not that much. And I mean, it wasn't even not such a bad day for the Bears either. So So everyone should have did pretty decently today, but especially the apes. Apes really won today. So yeah, congrats to the apes. But pretty decent day all around. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. You can believe the Matrix halted your account. Dude, you just need reserve cash. Which you should be doing anyway, you know. Yeah, I know it's kind of dumb, but it takes 2 days for the trades to settle. So if you don't have cash on hand, you're not going to be able to trade. So I would just suggest making smaller trades and having cash on hand in the future so you don't get locked out like this. All right. Cool. All right, there's the stock market, guys. Let's get to crypto and the news. Do a quick scan again first, and then crypto and the news. That should go by pretty fast. Well, FRGT is starting to pick up here. Don't know why, but that's a lot of action now, post-market. Up 25% post-market. Okay. 1 second here. Crypto and the news. And let me check YouTube. We are at 6 viewers, 7 likes. All right, so thank you guys. A lot of viewers, a lot of likes, but some of you guys didn't hit the like button. So if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. All right. Cool. Crypto and news. Okay. Hear another siren coming down the road, so gonna talk over it. My apologies, guys. All right, let's do crypto. So crypto's up 0.86% today. So, slightly bullish day here in crypto. I'll take it. Can't complain. Let's see what's going on. We got Bitcoin up 0.5%, holding 23K. Ether sideways, holding 1,600. Binance up 0.8%. XRP, yeah, pretty sideways. Cardano up a little bit. Doge up a little bit. Polygon, big movement there, 8.4%. So mostly green. Not too much price action. Avalanche, 8.5%. Yeah, let's sort this out. But it seems mostly green, not too much price action. Okay, so red side. Yeah, not many coins in the red. Maybe, maybe 15 coins in the red, if even that. Yeah, not much happening on the red side. Biggest loser is, by far, Threshold, T, 9.5%. Then it's eCash, 2.8%. So really not much happening on the red side here. Not much price action, not much value, and not many coins in the red. So, yeah. Not much happening on the red side. Let's check out the green side. So, we'll just call it 80% of the coins in the green. Not that much price action either. Biggest gainer is Trust Wallet Token, 11.3%, and then Compound, 10.6%. But decent value here. Avalanche, 8.65%. Polygon, Lido, VeChain, Algorand, Toncoin, Chainlink, Monero. Yeah, so, yeah, so not the most price action, but most of the coins in the green and a lot of value in the green. So that would do it. So overall, slightly bullish day here in crypto. So yeah, slightly bullish day in stock market, slightly bullish day in crypto. So overall, slightly bullish day all around. So I hope you guys made some pretty good tennies here today. Okay. Let's get to the news today. All right, so only 2 articles today. Should be pretty quick. One about December inflation and one about the Fair Tax Act. All right, let's do it. Key Fed inflation measure eased in December while consumer spending also declined. Core PCE inflation, the Fed's preferred measure, rose 4.4% from a year ago, its smallest annual increase since October 2021. Consumer spending, however, dropped 0.2%, pointing to an economy that was grinding to a halt as 2022 closed. Personal income increased 0.2% for the month, as expected. All right. So I think this is right in line with estimates. Yeah, that's what it says. So people aren't spending as much money by a little bit. People are spending more money on food and energy, so necessities. So spending more on necessities and personal income also increasing. And spending less on random consumer goods. Anyway, nothing too crazy here. Right in line with the estimates. So yeah, inflation is going down, slowly but surely. But yeah, nothing too crazy here. This wasn't like super bullish or anything. Neutral news here. All right, and next article. The Fair Tax Act explains what to know about the Republican plan for national sales tax, decentralized IRS. A group of House Republicans are supporting the Fair Tax Act, which would eliminate income, payroll, estate, and gift taxes to replace with 23% national sales tax. The plan would also decentralize the IRS by slashing funding by fiscal year 2027, relying on states to administer the levy. All right. So, I mean, interesting idea. In theory, highly, highly unlikely this ever happens in reality. It's just too complicated. You can't. First of all, no one's going to be happy with 23% national sales tax. And, but this would probably benefit rich people more than anything, to be honest. Anyway, crazy, outlandish idea. Complete change in the tax system, and just completely unrealistic, but cool idea. I really don't know which one would be better, but at first glance, it seems like this would actually favor the more wealthy. Maybe not. I don't know. But if it's being proposed by Republicans, it probably does favor the wealthy. Anyway, probably not going to happen, but cool idea. Okay, so yeah, pretty slow news day. That's it for the news. So let's get on to the TA. Let me load up the Yolos while we do the TA. And some more live rainbow bearing, and then we'll finish up with the Yolos. So we're doing pretty good on time here. It's only 4:34. And we don't have too much content left. let's do some TA. All right, BSFC is really mooning here, and I don't know why. It's up 68%, 58% in the post market. No idea why. But keep an eye on that for sure. BSFC. Blue Star Foods. A lot of shares left too. Interesting. Alright, so that's mooning. BSFC. Don't know why. FRGT. Also mooning. Other than that, nothing else. Yeah, I'm kind of tight about BuzzFeed. It's holding here and not mooning, so I think it's gonna crash next week. So stupid, bro. All right. TA. All right, so we're doing Tesla, Lucid, TCBP, GNS, and BuzzFeed. All right. Cool. So then we just look at this. I don't know why it's mooning today again. Did it gap? 161.42. It did not gap. But we still have a quadruple gap up here. So I still think this is going to pull back down to 114 to fill the gap all the way back here. Yeah, this is looking bearish. 73 RSI right now. It did break out of this ascending channel, so that's bullish. But yeah, RSI bearish. Quadruple gap up bearish. Ascending channel and MACD are bullish, and cup and handle are bullish. Gap down here also bullish. Yeah, so really did not expect this today. So I think in the short term, this may run to 200 in the short term to complete the cup. But I think, yeah, in the immediate short term, this may keep running to 200. But I think in the relative short term, this should pull back down to 115, fill the gap there, and then run again. Yeah, this has been on a crazy bull run lately. Little too good to be true. So, unpopular opinion, but yeah, I think this is due for some pretty significant pullback. And this is the biggest volume day of the year, so wow, after yesterday. So major volume today. Yeah, I think it's due for some pullback. So, yeah, I'm going to say short-term bearish, long-term bullish. So not really the greatest entry here on Tesla if you're going to buy and hold for the long term. So, yeah, definitely don't recommend... I don't recommend shorting this. I would never short a blue chip value stock like this, although it probably will work. But, I wouldn't do that, and I would not go long either. If you don't have a position, I'd just hold off and wait to enter at 115. So don't go long, don't go short. Wait until 115, go long there. That's my opinion, not financial advice. So once again, short-term bearish, long-term bullish. All right, TCBP. I bought puts on Playboy. What do you think? I know you said no options. I just wanted to see if I could learn anything. Well, all right, man. I hope it wasn't for that much, because just statistically, 90% of options expire worthless. So, I hope it was for a couple of dollars and nothing that significant. Can you scope GNS for me? Yeah, sure. We're gonna do it anyway. And someone asked for something else also. Back here, I missed it. Load. My bad, Mark. I hope you're still here. Load. So we'll finish up with my TA and then we'll do load for Mark. Hope he's still here. Just a couple bucks expire February 17th. What's the strike? I can tell you right now if it's gonna work or not. You do charting on load. I slept out for a few minutes. No, I did not do it yet. So good thing you're still here. We'll get to that shortly. What up, Beelzebub? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
If you guys haven't yet, please smash like button. Please, thank you. All right, let's do TCBP. Is there news here? No. Why is this mooning? You have no idea what the strike means? So what did you buy, dude? If you didn't know the strike, what did you buy? Yeah, I don't know, dude. I think options were a little... I think you should have held off a little longer on those. That's pretty important, knowing what the strike is. Alright, what happened here? So it opened quite up, and then it pulled back. So, bull trap here. So it looked like it was potentially squeezing and pulled back here. Yeah, it looks pretty done. It looks done. So big volume the last 2 days, but yeah, it appears like it's done. So yeah, this had a little mini gamma squeeze and another little mini gamma squeeze and running out of momentum here. So I really don't know too much about this company, but it seems like a biotech pump and dump, honestly, to me. So RSI is at 53, right around fair market value, maybe a little bit above. Yeah, so I think it's just time to exit both sides here. If you're not in it, I wouldn't take a position. If you're long, I'd cut. Whether you're up or down, I'd cut it right here. It's probably going to keep pulling back, to be honest. But, yeah, I'd just cut it right here. And if you're short, it probably will keep pulling back, but I'd probably cut it also here. Yeah, this is pretty neutral right now. Average RSI. No gaps or anything. Support at 475. Yeah, pretty hard to tell which way this is going to go, but in my personal opinion, it's probably to the downside in the short term. Because this is... I think it's still pulling back from this gamma squeeze. So yeah, pretty hard to tell. Looks pretty neutral, but more likely it's going to keep pulling back in the short term at least. But in my personal opinion, I would just not go for this at all, both sides, and look to exit both sides. Alright, Lucid. So is SPY finally done squeezing, or how much higher can they send it? I mean, has it even been squeezing? It may just be the end of a bear market. Who knows? How much higher can they send it? I think it can go a lot higher, to be honest. I think there's actually a pretty good chance we bottomed out already, and yeah, it's only up from here. Not saying it is, but I think there's a good chance we are recovering from the bear market. This is the start. Hopefully. All right, Lucid. So this was a major runner today. So there was breaking news that Saudi Arabia, the Public Investment Fund for Saudi Arabia, may acquire all of Lucid, and I think they already have like a 60% stake in it. But there's rumors they're going to acquire the whole thing. So that mooned the stock up today to 18, pulled back now to 13. But yeah, major day here today, 43%. So yeah, it looks like this topped out at 18, and the bottom is 6, so 12. So this should pull back to around 12 to form a handle. So there's probably a little bit more pullback to go. So cup and handle is bearish right now, if 18 is in fact the top. RSI is at 79, so that's also bearish. MACD is bullish, pulling way to the upside. Aftermarket action is bearish, pulling back down to 1270. So, yeah, really good PR, but as of right now, it's still just speculation. And according to the technicals here, this is starting to look pretty bearish. A lot more bearish indicators than bullish indicators. Again, cup and handle, RSI, aftermarket action. Bullish indicators in the MACD. That's about it. And we could probably even draw, very rough sketch here, but we could probably even draw like a, ascending channel. Very, very rough sketch. Ascending channel. So that would also be bullish. Anyway, so this is probably due for some pullback. I'm not sure how much. But this is overbought and overvalued right now, so I do expect some pullback here. To at least 12, I would say. To at least 12, which is not that far away. But yeah, in summary, good PR today, but looking very bearish now. Just speculation, still rumors, and this is already pulled back a lot, but this is still probably due for some more pullback. To at least 12, I would say, in my opinion. So, I'm going to say short-term bearish. Long-term bullish. If you made money here, I'd hit the sell button. Shorting seems like a decent play, according to the RSI. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't go long here. Going short's okay, although it's not like the greatest play. Good entry, but not the most downside potential. And in the long term, it is still looking like a pretty good company. So yeah, short-term bearish, long-term bullish. I bought Lucid this morning on Robinhood and I went to sell, but I got flagged for day trading low. It wouldn't let me sell, but I'm still up 8%. Well, I hope that's... Well, you should have funds clearing on Monday, so you should be able to sell on Monday. Yeah. So I'd hit the sell button first thing in the morning. Not financial advice. What is cup and handle? Look it up. It's an indicator. It's when it makes a U shape, like a cup, like here, U shape. So here's the cup. The U shape, and the handle is like in a teacup. It'll pull back about halfway to form the handle, and then it should start to curl up again. So cup and handle is bullish, then bearish, then bullish again. Look it up, cup and handle. It's fairly basic indicator. Robinhood needs to give us 5-day trades, one each day. Cup and handle is a chart pattern, yeah. Usually never use Robinhood, but couldn't use my public account and had a little bit of money left over Robinhood. That's why I bought options. All right, to be completely honest, dude, I don't know what your strike is, but it's probably going to be worthless. That's just how options work. But if you told me what the strike was, read me exactly what the position is that you bought. All right. Anyway, there's Lucid. All right. What's next? GNS and BuzzFeed. I've been using falling wedges in my bull trades. Been working well. All right. Nice, dude. Yeah, that's pretty effective indicator as well. Falling wedge. Personally, I don't use it that much, but yeah, wedges, triangles, pennants, all that, they're all like pretty much the same. So nice, dude. Congrats to you. Not sure which trades and how much you made, but awesome, dude. Glad you made some tendies. All right, 2 more GNS, BuzzFeed, and then load for Mark, and then we'll finish up with the Yolos. It says my break even is 243. Dude, just read me the name of the equity. What is the put you bought? It should say, all right, 250. Got you. Okay, that's the strike, 250. All right, so I can look it up right here and give you a very rough estimate on how it's going to turn out. February 17th, 250 put. All right, so delta is, yeah, 12. So so this has to go to 12. This has to go to 250 in 3 weeks for this to work. So as of right now, there's approximately a 12% chance that this works, which is not good at all. So honestly, if I were you, I'd sell it back first thing in the morning on Monday, because if you don't, there is a 88% chance you lose all your money on this trade. Seriously. Very unlikely this works, which is just how options work, you know? 90% of the time, they don't work, and when they do, you make a lot of money. But most of the time, you lose all your money. So, yeah, 88% chance this fails, 12% chance it works. So, I just cash it in Monday and save yourself some money here, because chances are this is going to go to zero. I think it was like $6 total. All right, yeah. So, but that's the mentality. That's why people, this is why retail buys options. They're literally like lottery tickets. So, you know, it's like lottery tickets. So, yeah, it's only $2. It's only $6. So if I lose, it's no big deal. But then you constantly buy them over and over and over, and it really adds up over time. That's where it gets you. So yeah, $6 here, $6 there, no big deal. But then $6 over a year, you know, every other day for a year really starts to add up. So that's why this is where people go wrong, because it's literally just gambling. Like there's no. If you're gonna trade options professionally, like you expect to make money, you have to do them with hedge strategies. You can't just buy You can't just buy straight up options. You have to hedge them with multi-leg strategies, and it gets really complicated. So I'm not gonna go into it right now. But anyway, options are a whole nother beast. Most people lose all their money playing options. That's why I sell options to the idiots who buy them. The way you make money playing options is selling options. That's the long-term strategy. Buying options are not a long-term winning strategy. They are for some people, but for most people, absolutely not. And chances are you're going to lose all your money. So that's just the truth. Options are a whole other beast, and most retail investors have absolutely no business investing in options or gambling in options. That's pretty much what it is. All right. GNS. All right, so nothing really changed here. Still looks pretty bearish to me. But remember, all right, so it does look bearish because we have a double gap up. RSI is at 73. Volume is coming back. It's picking up volume today. And the bull flag is still alive and well here. So, yeah, bull flag, MACD, bullish. Cup and handle. Could be bullish or bearish. But yeah, overbought, overvalued, and gap up at 62. So I think this is still coming back down to 62. Although this is bull flagging now, so for all we know, this could break out to the upside. We'll see. But extremely risky right now. I would not recommend going long, although I will say it might break out. Bull flag forming right here. Either way, this is extremely risky right now, long or short. But I think you have a much better chance of making tendies on the short side. Not financial advice. Yeah, so this may keep breaking out to the upside in the short term, but already went up so much, can't keep going forever. So there's only so much more this can squeeze to the upside, and a lot of downside potential. So, yeah, personally, I would not go long here. Not sit, but it can pay off if this does keep squeezing. Going short is pretty risky, but good chance this does. But this does appear like it's due for some significant pullback, and it should pay off if you're able to withstand some upside pressure here. So, yes, in summary, kind of hard to tell right now which way this is going to go. Either way, it's a gamble, but more likely this goes to the downside than the upside. So, if I had to choose one, I'd say go short. But, yes, just understand, short or long right now, this is a gamble. So please gamble at your own risk. Again, but if I had to choose one, it'd be short. Okay. Maybe I'm just being biased. I don't know. Anyway. Yeah, meme stock right now and not over yet. And last one, well, two more. BuzzFeed. So this one I got squeezed out of today. Good. Of course, it's pulling back in the aftermarket here, down to 360. Of course. So yeah, squeeze is still on. Looks like it's gonna end Monday. Yeah, I'm pretty upset about this. I literally got squeezed out at the top. How sick. Anyway, so 92 RSI, extremely overbought, extremely overvalued right now. Volume is, the squeeze is still on. A lot of volume today, 232 million. So that's bullish. So squeeze is still on according to the volume, but it's pulling back, so that's not good. MACD bullish. Wow. Crazy price action. Yeah, so I think this may come up to 460, possibly. 435, 460 to complete the cup here. Really shouldn't go too much higher than that. But yeah, extremely overbought, extremely overvalued. Gap up at 99 cents, so this should come back down to 99 at some point. There's a gap down way back here at 550. That's interesting. Not 550. 450. 504. Yeah, so I think this does still have upside potential, but squeeze has to come to an end sooner or later. But for now, it's still on. But yeah, looking very bearish at this moment. So yeah, RSI, gap up, aftermarket action, bearish. But we have and cup and handle. But on the bullish side, we also have the cup and handle, gap down, and MACD. Anyway, so yeah, this may run a little bit more to the upside in the immediate short term. I would say maybe as high as $5, but sooner or later this should come crashing down. This is due for some significant pullback. Maybe I'm biased, and maybe I'm hating because I got squeezed out, but according to the chart here, this is absolutely ridiculous. So I definitely would not go long here, and yeah, shorting looks like a pretty excellent play. I don't think it's that risky because I really don't think there's too much more upside. But hey, who knows? So yeah, still squeezing, but should end soon. I don't think going long is a great idea. Shouldn't be too much more upside, and I think going short is a pretty good play here. A lot of downside potential. Okay, and last one, load for Mark. So it is bull flagging here. That's bullish. Here's the bull flag. So this could break out to the upside. MACD is pretty neutral right now. Slightly bearish. RSI is at 61, so a little bit above average there. Slightly bearish. There's also a gap up I see here at 34. So this may pull back down to 34 to fill that gap. And longer term, we have some gap downs back here in the like $1 range. So a little hard to tell. I don't know fundamentally about the stock, but long term, according to the technicals, it looks bullish. Short term, it's a little hard to tell. Because it is forming a bull flag here. So this may break out to the upside, but at the same time, again, there's a gap up at 34, and the RSI is getting up there. So this is not overbought and overvalued, but a little overvalued right now. So, yeah, I would say just hold right now. Hold, and if it pulls back down to 34, then that's a pretty good time to average down. Anyway, I know it's not such a clear answer, but long term it seems bullish, and in the short term this may break out to the upside or pull back down to 34 and fill the gap. Can't really say. Kind of hard to tell. So long term bullish, short term could be bullish or bearish. You're welcome, dude. Yeah, kind of a vague answer, but this one's a little difficult. Alright, so let's do another scan, and let's finish up with the Yolos. It's 5 o'clock, so we're doing really good on time here. BSFC still mooning. Yeah, really not much going on. No aftermarket action. Alright, cool, so let's finish up with the Yolos. Alright. Let me just check on my portfolio here real quick and take a drink, and we'll finish up here with the Yolos. Okay. All right. Cool. All right. So this should take about 15-20 minutes. And that's it for the show. All right. Let's do it, guys. So once again today, guys, we have 11 Yolos. Yeah, pretty good content here today. A lot of gain corn and lost corn. A lot of memes too. A lot of Tesla gain and lost corn. So yeah, let's do it, guys. First one by the biggest nut, 27. I hope I don't get in trouble. Right answer gets $1. So do you know what day it is tomorrow? Friday 27th, January 2023. What happened on that day 2 years ago? You guys remember? So it was GameStop. I don't remember if it was the start of the short squeeze or when Robinhood disabled the buy button. Anyway, it was definitely GameStop. I think it was when Robinhood disabled the buy button, to be honest. But yeah, that was 2 years ago. It seemed not that long ago. Time flies. Wow. I'm getting old. Yeah, that literally seemed. I remember that was part of the reason why I started this show. So yeah, that happened in January, and I started it in March of 2021. So yeah, time flies. Almost been doing this for 2 years now. Yep. So GME anniversary. Everyone gets $1. All right, next one by Ash Ho. I'm gonna get in trouble here. Well, it was fun while it lasted. All right, so tweet by Jim Cramer. Uh, yeah, so you guys know the joke, Inverse Jim Cramer? Jim Cramer says one day ago, what a comeback for the mighty Dow. Really impressive. Alright, so if Jim Cramer is bullish on the Dow, good. Brace yourself, guys. Obviously, it's a joke. I sure hope the Dow doesn't tank, but the man has a very impressive track record of being wrong. So, I don't know. I'm kind of scared now. Sure hope not, but would not be surprised. Thanks, Jim. Did Ty used to be a Wall Street bet? Did I used to be an ape? I used to be an ape before apes were even a thing. By the time apes were like actually a thing, I was no longer an ape. No. So yes, I used to be an ape, like way back in the day, before apes were even a thing, before Wall Street Bets was even a thing. Now Wall Street Bets was a thing. I used to be on Wall Street Bets back at like 1,000,000 subs, like before GME. I was an OG in Wall Street Bets. Used to be different. Ty invented apes. No, but I found that you can just take money from apes essentially. I'm the anti-ape. I don't hate apes though; they hate me. Just like Soldier Boy. What about Soldier Boy? Crazy thing, I just saw this short, a YouTube short. Remember Orlando Brown from That's So Raven? I just saw this thing where he's claiming that Whitney Houston transferred her soul into Soldier Boy, and Soldier Boy is really Whitney Houston. I'm like, what is this guy on? Is he smoking something? I don't know, bro. That was insane to me. Speaking about Soldier Boy. All right. Next one. By Helping Hands. Us. This guy is back. This time with 20% rally to confuse the heck out of me. Calls or puts? Alright, so here is the OG, the legend, Peter Tuchman, right? Where's my meme? Where is it? Yeah! The bullish indicator himself. So, yeah, he's back, and it's been very bullish. It's been very bullish, so it's been working. So, not financial advice. I'm gonna say calls. This guy gives us all hope. Inspiration for all. What a legend. Peter Tuchman. Alright, let's get to the cord. So we've been following this guy for a while with the Tesla spreads. I don't like it because he doesn't actually show his plays here. But he has Tesla spreads, I know that. I think they were call debit spreads or call credit spreads. I can't remember. Call credit spreads, I believe they were. Anyway, so yes, by Nanobytes Inc., you guys were right. Lost all $130,000 selling calls on Tesla. Alright, so I think at one point this guy was up like 50K. I don't know. He was up quite a bit, I remember. And yep, got too greedy. So he sold calls, which I actually do like. You guys know I like preaching selling options, not buying options. So this is the one of the few times where buying options actually worked. Improbable, but it happens. So this isn't actually as bad as it seems. It's bad in the sense that he lost all his profits, but yeah, it says he's market value is negative 1.83 million, but he's actually only down 13K because he has 1.8 million in cash. So yeah, he was up like 50K. I don't even remember what he was up, but he was up a lot and got too greedy, and yeah, now he's down 13K. So I think he'll be fine. I think rich guy, he'll be fine. He didn't lose that much money in the grand scheme of things. But so first of all, I like the selling of the options. Very good strategy. I like that. And this should have worked. The probability of this working was very high. But sometimes it just doesn't work. You got unlucky there. Or you just didn't sell fast enough. You didn't buy it back fast enough. So it was an epic journey. Epic gained corn, and now it's lost corn. And I love how it says at risk. Risk level at risk. So, yeah. He didn't really lose 130K, 38K selling Tesla. He lost 13K. It's a little bit of an exaggeration, but yeah. Thanks for the play. Thanks for all the updates, and this is how it ends, huh? So, it's been quite a journey. But yeah, you're a legend no matter what, dude. So I like to play him, but he got too greedy. But yeah, he'll be alright. Alright. Can't give credit here. But this guy lost 20K on Tesla. Anyway, so, he said he actually didn't ape that hard. So this guy also sold calls. So this is responsible investing here. These guys are selling calls on Tesla, which is the right thing to do. That's the boring boomer safe strategy. And of course it doesn't work. Of course. I mean, it's really not that bad, because the worst thing is that you have to sell your shares at said strike. Anyway, so he was selling calls. And now he's writing this from the Wendy's bathroom. This is statistically insane. Yes, I understand, dude. Yes, it is statistically insane. Highly improbable, but not impossible. I thought I was smart. I thought I was right. I thought that Tesla investor and Elon could not be this challenge. Turns out I was wrong. I never thought a $300 billion company can move like a penny stock. Well, you underestimated the apes. So yeah, 94% chance of this expiring in the money, and it didn't work. So 6% chance this went wrong, and it went wrong. You do this long enough, it's going to happen. So highly improbable. But yeah, I understand, dude. I really feel you. This happened to me so many times. Anyway, he said, yeah, he's 20, so he'll have time to make a comeback. Yeah, dude, so for a 20-year-old, you know, this is an expensive education, and I'm sure you learned a lot here. So, yeah. I think he's down in total, Alright, so he's down 19K. That's pretty rough for for a 20-year-old. Well, yeah, dude, I'm sure you learned a lot here. I feel you. I've been through this many times, and yeah. So, this is the stock market. Anything can happen, even if it's highly unlikely. So, yeah. You'll be fine, dude. You'll come back, and you'll be prepared next time. Until something else happens, highly improbable. Everybody said Tesla was going to go below 100, just rocking it off 105. I mean, I don't blame him either. You know, the TA was saying that also. So, yeah. Stock market is amazing, right? All right, next one. By a sleep departure, 8030. How many of you have been here? All right, so in the past week, he's down 93%, 19K, and it's gone.
And it's gone.
We see here $8 call. Yeah, this expired today, so it's done. So yeah, there goes his account, blew up his account. So I've been there in the sense of losing that much money. Those are rookie numbers. But I've never blown up my account with FDs like this, and I never plan to. So I cannot relate to that. But I can relate losing 19K. Anyway, a lot of apes have been there. Pretty much everyone on this forum has been there. So you're not alone. And, yeah. Again, I don't know why apes keep buying FDs. It does not work. It does not work. Sometimes it does, like these damn Tesla apes, but, yeah, it's just gambling at the end of the day. So this one didn't pay off. This is what happens when you play options most of the time. Not surprised. Don't feel that bad. Yeah, everyone's been there. So, you want to know how to make money? You do the opposite of what the apes do on this forum. Not saying you should have bought puts, but yeah. everyone's been here. So, typical Robinhood ape here. Welcome to the club. You belong here. Are you doing this right? Yes. All right, so sorry for your loss. Not really. But yeah, you did it to yourself, and 19K, not the worst thing in the world in the grand scheme of things. You'll be right, dude. Thanks for hosting. All right, next one by Lag X2. SPY 0 day till expiration puts. Wow. Okay. So 170 puts here. 404 strike. It already expired. It's over. So 404. Yeah, SPY is at 406. Yeah, and it's gone.
And it's gone.
Yeah, so 16K YOLO, and it's gone.
And it's gone.
So this is what happens when you play FDs. Again, I don't know why you apes keep playing FDs. This is what's gonna happen. All these 100K gains, stupid gains, not typical. This is what's gonna happen. So yeah, play stupid games, win stupid prizes. 16K YOLO, got wrecked. So yeah, epic loss cord. Stupid trade, don't feel that bad. But yeah, thanks for the play, dude. Hope you're okay. That's pretty rough, losing 16K in a day. I couldn't even imagine. Well, it's happened, but yeah, that's pretty rough. Wow. All right. All right, next one. Can't give credit. Shout out to Wall Street Bets. I didn't see everyone mentioning Tesla puts. If I didn't see everyone mentioning Tesla puts, I wouldn't have known to buy calls. All right, so let's get into the gain core now. 4 more, by the way. So, yes. The way to make money, not financial advice, you go on Wall Street Bets and you do the opposite of what all these damn apes are doing. So the apes are screaming, buy puts, you buy calls. And, yeah, so Tesla, 180 call here. 44 contracts. Let's see. All right, so this was a 25K YOLO. Holy crap. And right now he's up 104K, 430%. And these expire in June. So, yeah, I got a long time till expiration. 5 months out. So, Tesla's at what? Almost at the money. Almost in the money. 178. So, yeah, really, really well done. Really, really well done. A lot of luck involved, but yeah, epic gain cord here. Not typical, but this does happen sometimes. So, at this point, honestly, I just cash it here. You got 5 months to go. No guarantee this finishes in the money. This is already at the money, so 430% gain there. You know, you got to be happy with that. I just cash it. At least cut the cost basis. At least cut your 25K. So at that point, I'm playing on house money, but I just cash everything here, in my opinion. Anyway, so yes. Moral of the story, Inverse of the Apes, you win big most of the time. So, yes, pretty epic YOLO here. Epic gain corn. Congrats on your gains. And at this point, hit the sell button. Either cost basis or all of it. Congrats. All right, next one by... Excuse me. I had to take a quick drink. Lost so much in the beginning. Learn a lot. It's not a million. Off to work, chat later. Have a good weekend. All right. Later, Mark. Thanks for being here. Yeah, have a good weekend, dude. Peace out. All right, 3 more. All right, bye. Bye. 10th higher. Tesla calls update, aka the greatest comeback of all time. Of all time? Okay. So, I don't know how much he was down, but it looks like a lot. Yeah, I don't know how much he was down, but it was quite a bit. Look at this chart. That is insane. And then today it just spiked up, and he's actually in the green again. Up 44K. I really want to know how much he was down. This is insane. So I think in total, I think it was down 30K at one point. I don't know. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Anyway, so yeah, diamond hands work sometimes. What a swing. What a swing. So I believe he was down about 30K, and now he's up 40K. So in total, yeah, 73K gain, 110%. Expires 2/3, so that's next Friday. Yeah, just sell it, dude. Just sell it. Just sell it. For all you know, this could pull back below 155 in a week. And after this insane swing, I think you should just cash it in and be happy with your 44K gain, or whatever this is, your 72K gain. So yeah, thanks for the update, dude. You are insane. I can't believe you diamond handed. I can't believe this worked, but yeah, this is some epic content here. So what a legend. Congrats on your gains. Hit the sell button. Good luck. All right, two more by MKY44, 48K profit. Finally made enough to post here. All right, so more Tesla calls. 180 strike expires next week. 12 buys. So yeah, 48K gain, 150% in one day. Insane. Again, same as the other guys. Super FD expires next week. This is not even in the money. So yeah, if you didn't sell yet, hit the sell button first thing in the morning, Monday, because no chance. Well, good chances does not expire in the money. And if you don't, you could actually lose everything. So don't be stupid. Cash it in if you didn't already. So Epic YOLO, Epic Gaincore. Next posting. All right, and last one by Significant Jelly 867. Update. All in leverage 3x Apple and Tesla. All right, so don't do this, guys. Don't do this at home. This is insanely stupid. But sometimes it works. So this is not good risk management at all. I like the Apple and Tesla, but do not ever go all in 3x leverage. That is how you blow up your account. It worked here, but eventually it won't. So yeah, pretty straightforward. Up 46K euros. Got a euro pour here. 90%. So yeah, I do like the Tesla and Apple. Safe, responsible investing until you go 3x leverage all in. So I don't mind all in, but you can't take 3x leverage, bro. So yeah, kind of safe, responsible investing, but not at the same time. As responsible as an ape can get, I guess. So, yeah, I don't recommend anyone do this, but yeah, sometimes it works, and congrats on your gains, dude. 96 or 80, 46K euros, 90%. All right, cool. So that's all the YOLOs for today, guys. Yeah, good stuff, good stuff. That was some good content. All right, last order of business. Let's do one more scan, and let's get out of here. All right, so still nothing really going on. I think that's it. Yep, it's just FRGT and BSFC, and yep, nothing else. So, yep, that's the show for today, guys. Ty the Financial Wizard. Not yet. You know, I'm not a CFA. I'm not a CFP yet. Ideally, I don't have to get those, but ideally down the road I'd like to. But those are very hard to get. You need to go to. I need to go back to school for that, actually. get my my master. It's not even your master's. It's like you have to take a grad level course, accredited course, to earn your CFA. Anyway, I don't even care, but it looks good on my resume. But yes, I've been at this for a while, ever since high school. So I do have quite a bit of knowledge, more than the average person for sure. But some guys, you know, they got 30, 40, 50 years in this industry. Hedge fund managers and whatnot. I'll get there. In our eyes, you are. I appreciate that. Yeah, one day we'll get there. And where's my meme? And yep, like you guys said, I'm not effing leaving. I'll bring you guys with me. All right. Anyway, guys, appreciate you guys. Great show today. Hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, great way to end the week. Really bullish week this week. So hopefully let's keep it going next week. Have a great weekend, everybody. I will see you guys back here on Monday and on Discord. All right, cool. It is 5:26. All right, right on time. Cool. All right, guys, let's get out of here. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace out.